Hey guys, my name's Don and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what this channel is all about is really focusing on helping those that are into hard rock, metal, and classic rock. I like classic rock too. And in the beginner to intermediate levels, I'll do some more advanced stuff too, but it's really for those that are either starting their journey into the guitar or they already know how to play, but they need to figure out how the different things connect. And be going over a variety of subjects from rhythm techniques to lead guitar techniques, some music theory, applied simply, so it's not going to be, brain surgery or anything. You're not going to have to, brain's not going to explode. I keep it nice and simple. Different practice techniques, how to form a good practice routine, and things like that. And what you guys should do is make sure you make some comments. You put some input. Tell me what you want to learn in here, and that'll create a better channel, and I'll be able to cater it more towards you. So the more input you give, the better this channel is going to be, and it's going to be able to help you guys out a lot better. And finally, what I want you to do is if you like the content you see, make sure you like this channel. That way, you're going to be able to see the content more often. And yes, so again, thanks for checking out my channel. I'm here for you. And anytime you need any help, please just reach out and I'll be very happy to help. So that's it. Enough for that. Log off of this video. Anyways, don't log off of YouTube. But stop this video and then go dig in and start doing some work. All right. I'll talk to you later.